Hello guys, welcome back to another videos. In this video today I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox login error on iPhone iPad. So let's get started video without wasting time. First of all, you have tap on Roblox game and tap on sign in and tap on your email and password and tap on login. So as you can see, Roblox game login error is not working on iPhone. So this error, fix it and back home screen and tap on setting, scroll down and tap on journal, scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone and tap on reset. So guys, here is reset network settings, so tap it and reset your network setting and back home screen and tap on again setting and tap on journal, scroll down and tap on shutdown few seconds and tap on your iPhone passcode, back and scroll down tap on journal and tap on iPhone storage. So guys, scroll down and tap on Roblox. So tap on offload app and again uninstall and install. So back home screen, tap on Roblox game and tap on login and tap on your email and tap on your password. So tap on login. So as you can see, Roblox game it's working. So if you have any problem, let's make comment. If you like my video, so like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching videos. Thank you.